Walked over, joining the line. Jaw dropped, you wearing all white. Wonder when you got so fine. Yeah. Said hi and asked what's been up. Kept talking month after month. Your time, I can't get enough. Not alone anymore. You could be the one I'm looking for. You could be the one my heart adores.
What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I don't want nothing else. I don't want nothing.
Guys, ito yung order namin for lunch. Sauteed vegetables daw yan. And inihaw na liempo. Tapos umorder ako ng watermelon shake. Rudy! Si EJ sineset up yung Insta360. Ayan yung view. Ang ganda. Hi guys! So, papakita ko sa inyo tong room na nabook namin dito sa Waikoloa, sa Cabangan, Zambales. So, ito siya, yung Premium King Room. Yan. May bed dyan. May jacuzzi din doon. Then, may TV. May aircon. Yan. Dalawa yung bed. May hair dryer na rin and pang-init ng water. Glassware. Ayan. Ito guys, private nyo to. Pag binok nyo tong Premium King na room nila. Tapos may jacuzzi dyan. Pero kasi nilalagyan pa ng tubig. Kaya nakatakip pa. Tapos, ayan. Third floor to guys. Actually, dalawa yung room dito. Nagbablog ako eh. Dalawa yung room dito, pero itong 301 lang yung may jacuzzi and yung nasa harap ng shore. Tapos yung isang room nandun, dyan sa likod. Nilakad ni EJ si Brody. Ayun sila. Sobrang layo, pero nandito banda sa gitna. Nagbihis pa kasi ako eh. Dami rin tao. Pansit canton lang and ham and cheese omelette. Kasi busog pa kami for dinner. Good morning guys! So, kami sa beach. Magsiswimming kami. Excited na si Brody. Nakakap pa. Hindi kasya yung cup ni Brody. Masyadong malaki. Brody! Shh! Uy! Kunin mo na! Wala naman yan. kami ng ube taho. Tapos kay EJ, strawberry zero. Tamis daw kasi napadami na zero.